In this video, we will learn how to import Excel file in Google Sheet. So let's start. So here, go to the File tab and click on the Import option. Okay. Then click on the Upload tab, and here you can browse the file from your laptop. And I select here Cell Data September. Okay. I select it and click on the Open to upload here. The cell data September is uploaded. Okay, so import location, where you want to import, the create the new spreadsheet and insert new sheet, replace spreadsheet. So here there are three options available. So I select the one by one. So I select the first, create a new spreadsheet, and click on the import. Okay, then click on the open now option, and here you can see the file is imported in Google Sheet. Okay, so here the new sheet spreadsheets is open. The second way, I select here the insert new sheet and click on the import theme also. So all the import theme formatting also insert it. Just click on the import data, and here you can see the sheet 1 is added here. Okay, and go to the file tab. I show you here, click on the first sheet and go to the file again and click on the import. Again I click on the upload, click on the browse, and here select the same file. And here I show you the third option, the replace spreadsheet. Okay, all data currently in this spreadsheet will be replaced. When you click on the replace spreadsheet, all the existing data replaced with the cell data September. So just click on it, and here you can see the all data replaced with the only sheet number 1 is replaced with this data. Okay, so this is a way you can import the Excel file in Google Sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.